Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to fit mobile holder for bike to your bike. First of all, remove this nut using a spanner with 14 number. You can either remove left side mirror or right side mirror. Here I just remove left side mirror, and yes, removed, and bring this attachment, and you can put this attachment to your mirror rod here, and put it back mirror rod in the place and rotate the mirror to replace it, and this attachment can be fitted here. Just rotate and finally tight the nut using the same spanner, and yes, done. Yes, it is firmly fixed. Now you have to bring this attachment and put here, and with this align key just try to tight this screw, but here it is loose, so remove this holding part. Remove this holding part, and you should have another spare part which has less hole, that is a small hole, and yes, this is the another part, replace with old one, and now try to fit with the screw with the same align key. Tight here, put the screw here and then tight using align key. I am tightening with this end. Yes, done, and it is firmly fixed now. Now bring this final part, and you can just push this part down on this ball here. This is the place where you can place your mobile. Yes, done. Now you can place your mobile here. Loose the screw and fix, then tight the screw. Yes, so in this way you can easily fit a mobile holder to your bike. So in this way you can easily fit a mobile holder. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.